What if I told you there was a massive living fence that changed the course of agriculture and trade in India? The Great Hedge of India, spanning over 500 miles, was planted in the 19th century to protect farmland from livestock. Made of thorny plants, it served as a formidable barrier and a natural border. This remarkable structure altered the landscape, influencing farming practices and local economies. The hedge became a symbol of resilience and innovation, showcasing how nature can be harnessed for human benefit. However, as modern agriculture emerged, the Great Hedge fell into disrepair, leaving behind only a whisper of its incredible legacy in India's agricultural history.